I'm Ron with Rented Network. Our firm specializes in managing single-family homes, condominiums, townhomes, and multifamily properties throughout the Tampa Bay area, including the counties of Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, and Manatee. Today, I'm discussing 5 rookie landlord mistakes to avoid. Even the most experienced landlords and property managers can make mistakes once in a while, but new landlords are especially prone to specific errors. This comes from not having the experience and the knowledge that's necessary to successfully manage a rental property. We've collected the 5 most common mistakes that we see, and hopefully your awareness of these mistakes will help you avoid making them. Now, tenant screening might seem like a hassle, especially if you're managing the property on your own. However, if you skip the screening process or you don't do a thorough job, you could end up with a bad tenant who damages your home or stops paying rent. Make sure you're screening for credit, criminal, income, and past rental history. Now, your lease protects you and your property, so it's critical that you have an attorney prepare it. The landlord and tenant laws in Florida are always changing, and you need to be sure that the lease you're using is going to protect you against lawsuits and disputes with your tenant. Use a lease that a lawyer experienced in property management has prepared and reviewed. All maintenance and repair should be done by professionals who are qualified, licensed, and insured. Don't try to save a few dollars using a handyman to complete work that is too complicated for his skill set. You're putting a lot of liability on yourself if you don't use proper vendors who are screened as carefully as your tenants. For example, if you hire someone to trim your trees and the person falls off the ladder, you'll be responsible unless you've used a company that carries insurance. There are a lot of mistakes that can be made with security deposits. The most common one we see is when landlords don't return the security deposit to the tenants in a timely fashion. The penalties for making this mistake are costly. Make sure you know the security deposit law, and make sure you return the money to your tenant when it's required. Finally, if you don't take care of maintenance and repair issues right away, 2 things will happen. Your tenant will get annoyed and probably look for another place to live, and you'll put the value and condition of your property at risk. Take care of small maintenance issues before they become big and expensive problems. These are the mistakes you're most likely to make as a new landlord. Consider working with a property management company to protect yourself against these errors, which can cost you a lot of money, time, and stress. If you have any questions, please contact us at Rented Network.